In this video, you'll learn how to make a hanging indent for an MLA Works Cited page in Google Docs. A proper hanging indent is one of those small formatting details that makes your paper look polished and professional, and it's required for MLA style. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and we'll go slowly so you can follow along in your own document. First, make sure you already have your Works Cited entries typed out in your Google Doc. Each citation should start on its own line, just like you want it to appear on the final page. It doesn't need to be formatted perfectly yet. We're about to fix that with the hanging indent. It also helps if your Works Cited section is grouped together at the end of your paper so you can select everything at once. Now start by highlighting the citations that you want to format with a hanging indent. Place your cursor at the beginning of the first entry, click and hold, then drag down through the last entry in your list. You should see the entire block of citations selected. If you only have one citation, you can just click and drag across that single entry. This step is important because any formatting we apply next will only affect the text that's highlighted. Once your citations are highlighted, move up to the menu bar at the top of Google Docs. Click on the word Format. This will open a drop-down menu with a lot of different options for formatting text. From here, hover your mouse over Align and Indent. Another side menu will appear. In that side menu, click on Indentation Options. This opens a small settings window where you can customize how your paragraphs are indented. In the Indentation Options window, look for the section labeled Special Indent. This is where you'll choose the type of indent you want. There's usually a drop-down menu that might say None by default. Click on that drop-down and from the list of options, select Hanging. You'll see a measurement next to it, typically set to 1/2 inch. That's the standard indent size for MLA, so you can leave it as is unless your instructor has given different instructions. After you've selected hanging under special indent, you're ready to apply the change. Click the apply button at the bottom of the window. As soon as you do that, look back at your Works Cited entries. The first line of each citation should now start at the left margin, and every line after the first should be indented to the right. That visual layout with the top line sticking out and the following lines tucked in is exactly what a hanging indent is. Take a moment to scroll through your Works Cited section and make sure every entry looks consistent. If you ever add more citations later, just highlight the new entries and repeat the same steps so they match the rest. Once you've done this a few times, using Format, then Align and Indent, then Indentation Options, and selecting hanging will feel very natural. That's all you need to create a clean MLA-style hanging indent in Google Docs for your Works Cited page.